This week in the Frame Shop, we're on location at Sagestone Village in Fort Worth, Texas. We just completed this 20-foot wide by 10-foot high green wall behind me. Now this is outside near the pool area. This is what that looks like. Right here behind me is the fitness center. Now this wall originally was stone, so it was very uneven. So the first thing we had to do was to get a nice flat surface that we could attach the greenery to. So we built it out with 2x4s and plywood that was painted a dark green, and that gave us a nice flat surface to attach the greenery. Now this is boxwood, which is your least expensive option, but I do want to show you another option. This is a fern mix, and of course this is more expensive, but it's really nice looking. I like it, and it's available in flame retardant material if you need that for your project. So in addition to the greenery, we also did a sign. This is cast aluminum, comes with a remote. So this is a pretty unusual project. There's no picture framing in here, but I like to describe Artifacts these days as not a frame shop, but as a custom art and manufacturing company, because we make all kinds of stuff, and this is a good example of a project that we've just completed. So please like and comment, subscribe to our channel, give us a call for your next project, and I'll see you next time in the Frame Shop.